we have got another package. This, let's see what it is. So it's Amazon Basics hard disk enclosure adapter. Basically, this is not for hard disk. Let's see if they gave us the wrong product or the description is wrong. Yep, you got it right. So it's basically USB 3.1 to PCI NVMe SSD enclosure, and this I got to use any internal SSD as a USB. So we got this casing, and it's like this, and just plug the SSD here, and we have different screws for 2280 on this 2280, 2260, 2242 and 223. These are the different formats of SSDs. You got a USB to type C cable, and few screws, 2 screws, and then a mount. So let's bring our SSD and let's try to install it here. So here's our SSD. You can directly plug it like this. Basically we need to install it like this so that it gets locked in between. See here, it has a tiny groove where it will be fixed, and then you can just use this screw to lock it in place. I should have brought my screwdriver instead of relying on this, because this is not magnetic. You see, should come like here. Maybe I have to try it from the other side, I believe. Okay, there is no instruction provided. Put it this way and then screw it from the other side. Ideally, if you assemble it from the PC, it will be on this side itself. It's fine. So put it from one side and it gets locked there, and then use these 2 screws. Meanwhile, let me open my Mac. And we are good to go. We'll now connect to the PC and confirm you if it is showing up fine or not. And it's detected.